You do not need a big expensive microphone to start making videos. Let me explain. I know you see the bigger creators using those super expensive microphones, those $1,400 microphones, and you probably think that if I want good audio, I gotta spend that amount of money. Let me tell you that that is not true. In this video, I'll give you 3 reasons why a $14 microphone is the perfect thing for you to start making videos. And reason number 3, I will tell you something that nobody's telling you. I'll be super real with you, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Let's go. The microphone that I'm using right now is the Boya by M1, a microphone that's $14 and you can find it on Amazon right now. The rest of the audio for this video will be on this microphone, so let's get to reason number 1. Reason number 1 is portability. This microphone is so small that you can fit it in your pockets, you can fit it in a bag. You're not gonna have a problem walking around or taking this microphone anywhere that you go. The microphone is pretty sneaky, so if you're the type of person that doesn't really like to stand out, this is the way to go. The microphone also has a really long cable, so if you wanna be somewhat far from the camera, that's something that you're not gonna have a problem with. Portability is huge. I mean, I would rather go out to the street with this than with something like this. You tell me. Reason number 2 is 100% the price. I mean, come on, it's $14 and it has pretty decent audio quality. I mean, you let me know down in the comments. Does it sound good? Do you like it? And if you're liking the video so far, make sure you drop a like or sub to the channel. Getting a good microphone out there will run you some money, especially if you're on a budget. So if you're starting to make videos or you're planning on making videos in the future and you're on a budget, something like this is a good option to start. Having decent to good audio is really important in videos, to the point that people prefer to watch something that looks bad but sounds good than something that looks good and sounds bad. And as you grow and you decide to take video more seriously, with a little bit of money you can upgrade from this, no problem. Now reason number 3, and in this one I will be real and completely honest with you. If you want to start making videos or you're planning on making videos in the future, a microphone should not be the number 1 thing stopping you from making videos. There are a lot of creators out there that use the microphone from their phone. There are other ones that use the microphone from their camera. Other people use lavalier mics like this one. This one's $14, but I've seen other ones on Amazon for $12. And if you don't want to use your phone microphone or your camera and you don't have the money to buy a microphone, ask for one for your birthday, for Christmas. If you can get a part-time or a job, do that, save some money and invest in yourself. Do whatever you gotta do to get in front of the camera. And if you want a microphone that sounds a little bit better, I recommend you to watch this video right here about the Boya BM31.